Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into Google. Use your work or personal account. Once signed in, open Google Tag Manager and click Create Account. Enter an account name and country so data stays organized. Next, create a container and name it after your domain or app. Choose web versus iOS or Android based on where tags run. Make sure to review the data sharing settings before you continue. This gets your account and container ready so you can install tags in the next steps. Once the container exists, click Install Tag Manager and copy both snippets, one for the head and one immediately after the opening body tag. If you use WordPress, Shopify, or another CMS, prefer the official plugin or theme setting to avoid errors, otherwise paste manually in your template files. After placement, add basic tags, GA4 configuration, and any conversion pixels, then enable preview mode to verify firing. Make sure to publish only when tags behave as expected to avoid data gaps. You're ready to publish. Use preview to test every tag and trigger, then click Submit and publish when results are clean. After publishing, confirm hits in real-time analytics and monitor firing with the browser console or tag assistant to spot errors. If tags aren't firing, first recheck that both snippets are on all pages, then inspect trigger conditions and any blocking rules, clear caches, and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: disable extensions that block scripts, because ad and privacy blockers commonly prevent tag execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.